Choco BooBoo, open the box. Look at the doctor's plastic locks. A cute blue kit so shiny and bright, helping our toys from morning to night. Oh no, look! Teddy bear falls down low, slipping on blocks where the soft toys grow. A tiny red scratch on the fuzzy arm, fine. Let's fix the BooBoo in perfect design. Tap the red star, bandage ticket so neat. Teddy bear jumps back up on its feet. B-O-O, B-O-O, text clouds float up high. Watch the red scratch fade away to the sky. Oh no, look! Puppy BooBoo bumps his paw, the cutest little accident we ever saw. Showing his paw with a sad little face, Choco runs fast to the rescue place. Tap the blue square bandage, lock it tight. BooBoo puppy wags his tail with delight. A-R reward blocks float in a line, or puppy's golden paw is feeling so fine. Oh no, look! Spotted cow bumps its horn near the big dollhouse where blocks are born. A tiny yellow star icon flashes out wide. Let's bring the doctor kit right to its side. Tap the yellow triangle, bandage press it slow. Spotted cow rubs its cheek with a blow. ELP text blocks flash in the air. Kindness and sharing are always right there. Pack the doctor kit inside the box, safe and secure under plastic locks. Drop the wrapper paper in the froggy bin. Keeping our playroom clean is a win. Rub the soap bubbles, wash hands clean. The freshest children you've ever seen. Wipe with the towel till it glows and shines. Healthy good habits in beautiful lives. Give a clean high five, leap up high, dance and bounce under the station sky. All the care animals wave and play. Choco and BooBoo say goodbye today. Wave your hands high up in the sky as the cloud rides high and the bubbles fly by. Choco BooBoo Kids is here for you. Have a happy, wonderful day.